Well, I can't remember the last time I was this excited about a small piece of hardware for the table saw. It's the Dado nut from Woodpeckers. I'll show you what it's good for and why you might want to pick one up for the shop. It's a common problem when installing a dado blade on a table saw to not quite have enough room for your arbor washer, and that's an issue because it would make you install the arbor nut right against the blade. Well, this dado nut from Woodpeckers is the perfect solution. It's just a 2.5-inch arbor washer that's connected to the arbor nut, and it maintains the same thickness as just the arbor nut that came with your Sawstop, so that's a really great solution. When I initially looked this product up, I thought that as you turn the nut, the whole washer would rotate too, but no, they're independent from one another and connected in the back with a snap ring. Weighing in at just over 6 ounces, this is a heavy-duty piece of hardware. It's got 5/8 inch diameter by 12 thread per inch, right-handed Acme threads, so it'll fit most Sawstops. The one exception is ICS models that are older than 2014 model year. I especially like that it works with the same wrench that came with my Sawstop, so there's really nothing to modify or change. Just start using this in place of the standard nut and arbor washer that came with your saw. And the great thing is, it's good not just for dado blades, but you can use it for standard width blades as well. And that's the exact same diameter as the arbor washer that came with your saw, so it doesn't change the cutting capacity whatsoever. But just look at how much lower profile that is compared to the factory setup. And this will work with just about any blade that's approved for use on a Sawstop. And look at that, threads out to the end of the arbor nut. I tell you what, I've never seen that on my Sawstop. The only time I've ever had a dado blade come loose on me, I was trying to use an arbor washer when I didn't have room for it, and this ingenious system will prevent that from ever happening. So if you've ever been frustrated that there's not enough room on your arbor for that arbor washer, this dado nut is a perfect solution. It just works great on my Sawstop PCS, and I would highly recommend it.